comb shape in fowls. This is a classical example of non-allelic gene interaction discovered by Bateson and Punnett. In this case, two non-allelic dominant gene influence the same phenotypic trait, that is comb shape in fowls, and assort independently, giving phenotypic ratio in F2 generation 9:3:3:1. There are different breed of domestic chicken. They are characterized by the specific shape of the comb. These are windowed breed, second Brahma breed, third Leghorn, and fourth walnut. The windowed breed have rose-shaped comb, Brahma, P, Leghorn, single, and walnut-shaped comb. The rose comb is controlled by a dominant gene R. Dominant gene P govern the P-shaped comb. When both are present in recessive condition, the shape of the comb becomes single. When both dominant R and P present together, the shape of the comb becomes walnut. Means when the breed of windowed and Brahma are crossed, they produce the walnut shaped comb. We will discuss the interaction of dominant gene R and P by crossing different breed of chicken to get the F1 and F2 generation. Suppose the breed of the chicken having rose-shaped comb, which is homozygous dominant in R and recessive in P, and another breed having P comb, recessive in R and homozygous dominant in P, are taken as parents, rose as male and P as female or vice versa, are crossed together. The homozygous parent always produce one type of the gamete. From the rose, the gametes possess the genotype capital R small p, and from the P small r capital P. These are the gametes produced from the parents. When these gametes are fused together, capital R, capital P, small p, which is hybrid or heterozygous in both the genes, and phenotypically the F1 generation or progeny possess walnut comb, because in this case both dominant R and P present together. We know the heterozygous individual always produce more than one type of the gamete. During the gamete formation, the members of the first allelic pair separate from one another, and the members of the second allic pair also separate and may join either of the members of first allic pair as capital P, small p, capital P, small p to produce four type of the gamete: capital R, capital P, capital R, small p, small r, capital P, small r, small p. So four type of the gamete means male and female gametes are produced from the F1 progeny. When the population of F1 generation are mated to one another, they produce four type of the eggs or female gamete and four type of the sperm genetically or male gamete. These are capital R, capital P, capital R, small p, small r, capital P, small r, small p. Likewise, the female gametes are also capital R, capital P, capital R, small p, small r, capital P, small r, small p. So, these four type of the male gamete and four type of the female gamete fused randomly to produce 16 type of the zygotic combination. Out of these 16 type of zygotic combination, in 9 both dominant R and P are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in presence of both dominant R and P, the shape of the comb is walnut. So the proportion of walnut out of 16 is 9. And in 3, dominant R is present. As a result, the shape of the comb is rose. So we have rose 3 out of the 16 and P also present in the 3, 1, 2 and 3. And in 1, both R and P are present in the recessive condition, so it gives rise the single shape of the comb 1. So we have the phenotypic ratio 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. This ratio is similar to the Mendelian dihybrid ratio. Mendelian dihybrid ratio is allic gene interaction, whereas this one is the non-allic gene interaction. These results reveal that when both the gene R and P present in dominant form, it gives rise walnut, means the product of R and product of the P interact in such a way that it gives rise the walnut shape of the comb. When only R is present, it gives rise the rose shaped comb, and when only P is present in the zygotic combination, it gives rise the P shaped comb, and when both are present in the recessive condition, it gives rise the single shape of the comb. These R and P are interact in different way, just like or similar to the alleles of codominance. The result of the F1 and the F2 differ in two unusual character, that in F1 generation the chickens possess the walnut shaped comb, which is not found in any of the parent. And second, in F2 generation there are two new type of the comb appeared, that is walnut and the shingle, which are not found in the parent population. So these are the two unusual features found in such type of the non-allic gene interaction. Thank you.